Welcome back. Now in this video we will jump right in the body of a upload add screen dot. So right down below this app bar, in here we will have the body. In here we will say if next will be true, then write in if. Right down below in here we will say first write if, then we will say single child scroll view. For now we will leave this single child scroll view empty, and later on we will come back right to it and we will be working on that. For now there is no need of it. So you guys already know if next will be true, then write in if we will show this single child scroll view and all of their work that we will do right in the next videos. For now on, leave this empty. So write in if there is a single child scroll view, and in else, on the flip side, if next will be false, then we will simply show the widget and it is going to be static. So move this cursor right to the left side like that, and in here we will have else. Okay, so first let me just set the combination. Just take this down in here and the if will be down in here. So now let's just move further. In here static widget, as you guys can see the suggestion, write it and comma and take this brush down, scroll down, and right in there first we will take the children. Right in the children we will have a container widget. Write it and comma and take this down. In here first we will do some padding. So as usual, as insect in here we will go with a dot all. It's gonna just apply to all of the side. So in here we will set this to 4 and take this down. Then we will simply just take the child, and right in the child we will say grid view. As you guys can see right in here the suggestion, then we will say dot builder. Okay, it's gonna just take the grid delegate and also the item builder, as you guys can see in here. From now on, just remove that. We will add it one by one so that you guys just don't get confused in it. Now take this down. In here we will provide the item count. There we go. Now we will just go right at the top and we will declare as a list the image. Okay, so there's going to be a multiple images right in this list of image. So first let's go right at the top and we will create it, because we're going to need now the list image. So below this, next in here we will say final, provide that key first. It's going to be non-changeable. Then let's take the list as a file in here, and then we will make this private. The name of this list is going to be image. Okay, and let's just assign array, because there are going to be just multiple images, as I told you already. Now come here and click on this file. You simply import the library. It must be .io. Now let's go down and write in the item count. As you guys can see in here, we will say image that we just created, okay, dot length, and we will just increment it by 1, because the user gonna choose the multiple images and the numbers and the length is gonna be 5. Now in here below, in here we will take the grid delegate. Okay, now in here we will say silver. Let me just write it first, grid. In here make the spelling right in here, so remove that I from here and put it here. Now you guys can see the suggestion, that second one. Okay, take that in here, and in there we will just provide the cross axis count, and we're gonna set that to 3. It's gonna then show the images and the cross axis count gonna be 3. Like for example, one image will be right here and the other will be there, and the last one in here. Okay, you guys will notice the output once we will complete that. Now let's go down. In here we will take the item builder. Okay, is going to take the contacts. Let's provide the index because the image is going to be at a different index. So in here let's get that created, and in here curly braces, take this down. So in here we will return the index. We will say if index will be equals to 0. So right in if, what we will do, we will take the center widget first, and right in there we will take the child, then we will say icon button because we will just show the icon. So in here icon button, and take this down, in here icon, then we say icon in here. Let's take the icon dot add because it's going to be simply for adding the pictures, so you will take that icon. You can go in here with the first one, and just now it's going to take the on press event. For now on we will just leave this empty. As I told you already, we will complete the UI design first. Okay, so that's going to be the working of if. Right in here, if index will be equals to 0, we will show that right in the center widget. Okay, and if index will not be equals to 0, if they're going to be the images that the user will select and upload, then we will simply write in else show that. Okay, so in here we will take the container widget, and right in the container widget first we will set the margin, okay, for that specific container, and the image going to be right inside that. So in here, as usual, as insect, we will go with the dot all. We'll set it to 3, and then we will set the decoration, box decoration, and right inside that gonna take the image. Okay, then we say decoration image, and just take this down, in here image, and then we say file image, as you guys can see in here. Okay, now in there we will say image, and now it's going to be right at a specific index. In here make the spelling right, index, and we're gonna just decrement it by 1. So there is going to be all the images that the user will select, and you guys will notice the output once we will just complete the code. So in here let's set the fit property. In here we will say box fit dot cover. All just good. Now in here semicolon, and add the const modifier. Also in here add to this icon, and also to this silver grid. So the code will be clean then from these yellow lines. So since it's a stateful widget, so it's just change the result dynamically. As you guys can see the add icon in here. Okay, and if you guys didn't see it, just simply hot reload the app. If you guys did it already, then just press the Ctrl S and you guys will notice that right in here. Okay, that one. And also we will set right down below in here, if uploading gonna be true, then we will show the text uploading. For example, if the user gonna select their images and upload it, then we will show the text and it is gonna be uploading. So first we will go and declare the uploading as bool type right above. In here, as you guys can see that bool, so we will just query it right in here. We will say uploading, and we will just set this to false. There we go. Now let's go down. In here we will say uploading that we just queried a while ago. If uploading gonna be true, then write in if in here we will take the center widget. Take this down in here child. We will take the column widget in here. First we will set the property man axis side, and we will just set this to minimum man axis size, okay, as you guys can see in here. Then tag the children. Right in the children we will take the text widget, okay, and in there, as I told you already, that we will show the text and it's gonna be uploading. In order if the user will upload something, for example the images. Now let's do some style for that. So as usual, text style in here, we will just set the font size in here. We're gonna just set this to 20 and take this down in here, comma, scroll down, and also with it we will show the circular progress indicator. So first we're going to create some height between the text uploading and the circular progress indicator that we are about to create. So first let's just set the size box in here. So we will just give the height in here, and we're gonna take 10 in here, comma in here. Let's just take this down, and then we will say circular progress indicator. Take this down in here. Let's provide the value. It's gonna take that. So first we will go right at top and declare a value. Right down in here it is gonna be double type, okay, and we will give the value just pretty short name, and we will assign 0. Now we will use that right in the value down below in here. We will say well. Also let's just provide the value color for the circular progress indicator. It's gonna be always stop animation. Then we go with this occasion, and in there let's provide the color now. So we will go with the colors. Let's go with the green, and let's now also add the else. If uploading gonna be false, then we will just show empty container and there will be nothing right inside it, okay. So in here container widget and tag this empty, okay. In case of if the uploading gonna be false, if it's true, then write in if we will show all of this work, and if that uploading gonna be false, then we will show the empty container. So now just add the const modifier in order to remove those yellow lines, so the code will be clean then. So basically that's it for this video, and right from the next video we will work further. So see you in the next one.